Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. I am excited to share with you the deals I grabbed over at Walmart for this week. I was able to get all of these items completely free, which is awesome. Not quite as awesome as the deals I snagged over at Walgreens for the week. So if you haven't had a chance to check out the Walgreens deals I posted on Monday, you definitely want to check that video out. So many great deals this week. But this week at Walmart is super fun because I am doing another challenge. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad that you're here. Sometimes with my Walmart hauls, I will challenge other YouTubers to see who can score the best deals for the week. So this week I asked Couponing with Kayla to battle it out with me. If you have never checked out her channel, you definitely have to do that. She is, one, adorable, but she is also amazing at finding awesome deals. So definitely stop by and check out her channel. I just hope that I beat her this week because the loser of the challenge, so whoever pays more money per item at Walmart this week, they have to do something silly. And so my son decided that this week we should have to have the loser get their kid to give them a makeover. So if Kayla is up for that and she is the one that loses, that will be what she has to do. She has adorable kiddos as well, so they would be able to give mommy a little bit of a makeover, and we get to see what they come up with. I did start her video. She posted her video yesterday. I will link it for you down in the video description box below. So I saw the beginning of it, but I didn't want to see the end because I didn't want to know what her price per item was because I did my shopping yesterday and then I went again this morning. Okay, let's jump into the deals. The first one I want to tell you about is on this 7th generation Powered by Plants dish soap. So this is priced at $2.77, but on the Shopkick app, if you scan this product and purchase it, Shopkick will give you back 625 kicks, and that is equivalent to $2.50, making this 19 fluid ounce dish soap just 27 cents. So that is a super good deal. If you are new to Shopkick or you've never heard about it before, I have a complete tutorial on how to use that app, and I walk you through step by step exactly how to use it. I also have a referral code that you can use, which will give you an additional 250 kicks back when you scan your first receipt. Another deal that I did this week on Shopkick was the Dove bar soap and the Dove deodorant. Now, I did this deal yesterday, and I believe the Shopkick offer dropped this morning. So just double check your app to make sure that these deals are still valid before you do the deal. But I grabbed this Dove travel soap for 97 cents, and Shopkick was giving back 375 kicks for buying this item. And with Shopkick, every 250 kicks is equivalent to $1. So 375 divided by 250 means I got $1.50 back for buying this. So it was free and a 53-cent moneymaker. Same went for the deodorant. So I bought a deodorant at 97 cents. Shopkick gave me 375 kicks back for buying it, which is $1.50, making it free and a 53-cent moneymaker. Like I said, just check your Shopkick app, make sure that is still what they are giving back because mine dropped this morning to a lower dollar amount. I want to say that was it that I purchased on Shopkick this week. Oh no, there was one more. The Suave lotion. So this lotion I've seen as low as 75 cents at some stores. My store didn't have it in stock at that price. That was a clearance price. The regular price at my store was $1.72. And then I got back 400 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $1.60, making this 10-ounce bottle of lotion just 12 cents. So super great deal on the lotion. All right, now let me move on to some Ibotta deals. This I paid a little bit more for than I normally would, but if it's a product that you use, it's still a great deal. So this Clean and Clear Astringent, it is priced at $4.47. I had a $1.50 coupon that I printed, and I do have that linked for you in the printable document that I include. You can find that document in the video description box below. But I used that coupon, so I paid $2.97, and I got back $2 on Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. Another Ibotta deal was on the Zantac. So this is priced at $4.94 in my store. This is the 8-tablet box of the Zantac 360. There is a $4 off coupon in the June 6 Smart Source that I used on this. Now, I was able to find a printable coupon on coupons.com. I don't know if that's still there, but you could check it out. I paid 94 cents, but then Ibotta gave me back $1.50 for buying this product, making it free and a 56-cent moneymaker. Another Ibotta deal is on this Safeguard hand sanitizer. So if you still need hand sanitizer, there's a pretty decent deal on these. These are priced at $3.97 each, but there was a Peely on the product for buy one, get one free. So I paid $3.97 for both of them, and then I got back $3 on Ibotta, making it 97 cents for both, or just 48 cents for a 12-ounce bottle. So great deal. I want to say I saw on Ohio Valley Couponer's channel that he was able to find the Safeguard hand soap for $2.97, and then you got a free hand sanitizer with the $3 back on Ibotta, so it made it a little bit less expensive, but these were the ones that I could find at my store. Still a great price at 48 cents if that's a product that you need. I think that was it for Ibotta this week. I also grabbed this Neutrogena face bar. It's priced at $2.74, and I have linked a $2.50 coupon for you guys down in the video description box below, making this Neutrogena soap just 24 cents. I was also able to find this CoverGirl powder at my store marked on super clearance for $1, and I was able to use my $3 printable coupon that scanned with no issues, making this free and a $2 moneymaker. Now, if you don't have the printable coupon that I will link for you, you could also submit it to the coupons.com app instead of the printable coupon, and you could get the $3 back that way. But like I said, I had no issues with that coupon scanning at the register, so it made it completely free and a $2 moneymaker, which helped pay for some of the other items. So that was pretty cool. The last deal that I will tell you about, I did this deal last week, but you can do it once per week. This is a Swag Bucks deal. And what the deal is buy 2 of the Morton Seasonals and get $4 back on Swag Bucks. But these seasonals are priced at $1.60 each, which makes it $3.20 for both, and then you get $4 back, making it an 80-cent moneymaker for both of these, which is awesome. Tip on this though, when I submitted my receipt, it didn't recognize it right away. So I had to scroll down just a little bit and hit request review. It then asked me if I wanted to submit another picture. I didn't, because the picture of my receipt was accurate. So I hit request review again. And within like 2 hours, I saw that $4 back in my account. But I did have to go through those extra steps just to give you a little bit of a heads up. If you are new to Swagbucks and you use my referral link that I'm going to put on that printable document, you would get an additional $3 back, making that a huge moneymaker. So that would be awesome if you're new to Swagbucks. Okay, so everything, all of these items completely free, and I made $1.85 buying it all, which makes my total cost per item -15 cents. Now, I need to go back to couponing with Kayla's channel and see what she paid. I'm really hoping that I beat her because I can only imagine how my child would give me a makeover. And so I'm super nervous about that. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions. I am happy to help you guys, and I hope you are having a fantastic week. Thanks.